नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs अकाउंट सब्जेक्ट के जो आपकी टर्म 1 की प्रिपरेशन के लिए आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको चैप्टर वाइज MCQ कराऊंगी। सो हम पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं अकाउंटिंग फॉर पार्टनरशिप फर्म चैप्टर से। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एवरी पार्टनर इज बाउंड टू अटेंड diligently to his in the conduct of the business. Options are rights, meetings, capital, duties. So the right answer is option D, duties. Question number 2, the relation of partner with the firm is that of, options are an owner, an agent, an owner and an agent manager. So the right answer is option C, an owner and an agent. Question number 3, number of partners in a partnership firm may be, options are maximum 2, maximum 10, maximum 100, maximum 50. So the right answer is option D, maximum 50. Question number 4, liability of partner is, options are limited, unlimited, determined by court, determined by partnership act. So the right answer is option B, unlimited. Question number 5, forming a partnership deed is, options are mandatory, mandatory in writing, not mandatory, none of the above. So the right answer is option C, non-mandatory. Question number 6, partnership deed is also called prospectus, articles of association, principle of partnership, articles of partnership. So the right answer is option D, articles of partnership. Question number 7, which of the following is not incorporated in the Partnership Act? Options are profit and loss are to be shared equally, no interest is to be charged on capital, all loans are to be charged interest at the rate 6% per annum, all drawings are to be charged interest. So the right answer is option D, all drawings are to be charged interest. Question number 8, in the absence of partnership deed, the interest is allowed on partner's capital. Options are at the rate 5% per annum, at the rate 6% per annum, at the rate 12% per annum, no interest is allowed. So the right answer is option B, at the rate 6% per annum. Question number 9, in the absence of partnership deed, the allowable rate of interest on partner's loan account will be, options are 6% simple interest, 6% per annum simple interest, 12% simple interest, 12% compounded annually. So the right answer is option B, 6% per annum simple interest. Question number 10, A, B are partners in partnership firm without any agreement. A has given to loan of rupees 50,000 to the firm. At the end of year, loss was incurred in the business. Following interest may be paid to A by the firm. Options are at the rate 5% per annum, at the rate 6% per annum, at the rate 6% per month. As there is a loss in the business, interest cannot be paid. So the right answer is option B, at the rate 6% per annum. Question number 11, A and B are partners in a partnership firm without any agreement. A devotes more time for the firm as compared to B. A will get the following commission in addition to profit in the firm's profit. Options are 6% of profit, 4% of profit, 5% of profit, none of the above. So the right answer is option D, none of the above. Question number 12, which of one of the following items cannot be recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account? Options are interest on capital, interest on drawing, rent paid to partners, partners' salary. So the right answer is option C, rent paid to partners. Question number 13, on 1st June 2018, a partner introduced in the firm additional capital rupees 50,000. in the absence of partnership deed on 31st March 2019, he will receive interest. Options are rupees 3000, B 0, rupees 2500, rupees 1800. So the right answer is option B 0. Question number 14. A partner introduced additional capital of rupees 30,000 and advanced a loan of rupees 40,000 to the firm in the beginning of the year. Partners will receive year's interest. Options are rupees 4,200, rupees 2,400, nil, 1,800. So the right answer is option B, rupees 2,400. Question number 15. Is rent paid to a partner appropriation of profits? Options are it is appropriation of profit, it is not appropriation of profit, if partner's contribution as capital is maximum, if partner is a working partner. So the right answer is option B, it is not appropriation of profit. Question number 16. According to profit and loss account, the net profit for the year is rupees 1,50,000. The total interest on partner's capital is rupees 18,000 and interest on partner's drawing is rupees 2,000. The net profit as per profit and loss appropriation account will be, options are rupees 1,66,000, rupees 1,70,000, rupees 1,30,000, rupees 1,34,000. So the right answer is option D, rupees 1,34,000. Question number 17. Sangeeta and Ankita are partners in a firm. Sangeeta's capital is rupees 70,000 and Ankita's capital is rupees 50,000. Firm's profit is rupees 60,000. Ankita's share in profit will be, options are rupees 25,000, rupees 30,000, rupees 35,000, rupees 20,000. So the right answer is option B, rupees 30,000. Question number 18. Net profit of a firm is rupees 49,500. Manager is entitled to a commission of 10% on profits before charging his commission. Manager's commission will be, options are rupees 4,950, rupees 4,500, rupees 5,500, rupees 495. So the right answer is option A, rupees 4,950. Question number 19. Net profit of a firm is rupees 79,800. Manager is entitled to a commission of 5% of profits after charging his commission. Manager's commission will be, options are rupees 4,200, rupees 380, rupees 3,990, rupees 3,800. So the right answer is option D, rupees 3,800. Question number 20. This is the last question but not least. Which of the following statement is true? Options are fixed capital account will always have a credit balance. Current account can have a positive or a negative balance. Fluctuating capital account can have a positive or a negative balance. All of the above. So the right answer is option D, all of the above. Thank you for seeing this video. I hope you all like the video. आगे का पार्ट मैं आपको सेकंड में करवाऊंगी. सेकंड में आपको मैं क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगी. सो थैंक यू फॉर सीइंग दिस वीडियो. वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आगे की वीडियो आपसे मिस ना हो. थैंक यू.